Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to configure terms of use in your subscription services. So this is just a way to, provide your subscribers with all the, all your policies, your terms of use, all that good stuff that they need for legal. I'm going to show you how it's done in the Inhouz Cloud subscription services. I'm currently in the subscription management tab. We're going to jump into our support auth service. This is an external service in the production environment. We're going to jump in here and go to the configurations. Over here, we see terms of use. So currently, we do not have any terms of use. And if we go to this current sign up page, let's just add, a user, say random, put in an email, put in the password here, let's add a user, go to the next step, close this out. So as you can see here, there are no terms of use. Well, there are, there's this like, this little note here from Stripe. And then there's this other disclaimer over here because of this current service has a 3-year contract. But your terms of use are nowhere to be found. And this is because, it has not been configured. So we have, a couple of options here. So if you already have like, a terms of use PDF or whatever that is hosted on a domain, or, if you have like a website that has your terms of use, you could basically just link out to that website, just provide the full URL. And this would be like, HTTPS, and like www, like your actual, the link to that terms of use. Or if you have it somewhere, you just wanted to copy and paste it, you can do that as well. You can just come in here and copy and paste your terms of use. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna just say this is the terms of use. I'm just gonna keep it short and simple. We're gonna go ahead and save. We're gonna launch this. All right. So now when I go back to my sign up page and I just try and fill this up again, some random stuff here. Let's put a valid email here. Okay. Go to billing. All right, perfect. So now you see where it says by clicking the checkout button, you agree to the terms of use. And you see it links out to the terms of use. Now, because this is a hosted terms of use, we're not linking out to like a hosted terms of use. When I click on it, it basically pops out, and that text that I wrote in there, this is the terms of use, is in there. So when signing up users, it's always nice to have as much of your legal taken care of as possible. And on this platform, we make it possible to add all those legal documents and link out to it if needed. So that's it for this video. We've gone over how to add your terms of use to your subscription services. All right, that's it. See you in the next one.